Good morning. After completing first topic, direction ratios and direction cosines, now we start plane in three-dimensional geometry. Plane is a surface in which if joining of 2 points lies in that surface is called a plane. For example, this board is a plane. If there is any 2 points, eh, then joining of these points also lies in this surface. So it is called a plane. Okay. And now we discuss different equations of the plane. First, general equation of the plane. This is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, where a, b, c are direction ratios of normal to the plane. Important thing. A, B, C, that is coefficient of x, y, z, are drs of normal to the plane. For example, it is a plane, this paper sheet is a plane and normal, that is line perpendicular to this. So it will be the normal. So drs ABC, drs of normal to the plane. Okay. And d is the constant. Second, equation of plane passing through one point. Suppose point is x1, y1, z1. Then equation of plane is a into x minus x1 plus v into y minus y1 plus cz minus z1 equal to 0. Okay. Where a, b, c are also drs of the normal to the plane. So to find the equation of plane passing through one point, we need two things: coordinate of that point through which plane passed, and second, drs of normal to the planes ABC. For example, find the equation, example 1, that is based on find equation of plane, equation of the plane through the point 1 P 1 2 3 and OP is perpendicular to the plane. Again, read the question. Find the equation of the plane through the point P 1, 2, 3 and OP is perpendicular to the plane. We have already discussed that to find the equation of plane passing through one point, we need two things: point, which is point x1, y1, z1, and drs of normal to the plane. So OP is the normal. Perpendicular means normal to the plane. So drs of OP, O is here origin, drs of OP are 1 P coordinates O 0 0, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, that is 1 2 3. These are drs of OP, that is normal to the plane, and these are the point. So equation of the required plane it is taking as x1, y1, z1, and these are a, b, c. So 1 into x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. According to this equation, that is equation of plane passing through the one point here. So after simplifying, we get x plus 2y plus 3z and minus are equal to 1, 4, 5 and 9, 14. This is equation of the plane. So if one point and drs of normal we given, or we can found by any other concept, we can find equation of the plane. Next equation, intercept form. intercept form, as in case of 2D line. If a line makes intercept AB on xy axis, then its equation x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Similarly, in case of 3D plane, the equation of plane which makes the intercept on the coordinate axis ABC, small ABC, then its equation is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. That is, this is coordinate system O x by z, okay, and a plane which cut these axes, suppose A, B and C, it is origin. So the intercept OA equal to A, OB equal to V, these are intercept, OC equal to small c, this is A.